Hi guys, today I'm going to take you around a Peugeot Partner Tepee that we have in stock. So the people carrier version of the very popular Peugeot Partner van. Finished in metallic hazelnut. This is a 1.6 outdoor model, so top of the range. It has a huge amount of factory options fitted, which I'll take you through very shortly. This one's just one owner from new. It's been meticulously maintained with full main dealer service history throughout his ownership, and it's supplied from us with a fresh service including new timing belt and front discs and pads, as well as a full year's MOT. As you can see, it's in absolutely fantastic condition. It's a 2013 model, covered just 81,000 miles from new. And as you see, it has a huge amount of factory options. We've got cruise control, satellite navigation, air con, Bluetooth telephone, electric windows and mirrors. This one also has the Zenith roof, which we can see up here. Gives it the panoramic feel. It has the opening tailgate window as well. The seats all fully removed. It could be folded away in a variety of different options. If you have a look on the photos on our website, you'll see exactly how that all works. And this one also has the all-terrain pack. This allows you to change it depending on the terrain that you're driving on, and it also gives it a bit more ride height. It's very clean and tidy in here. And these obviously come with a fantastic boot space as well. Really is in exceptional condition, a huge spec and fantastic storage. Just one owner, full main dealer history throughout his life, and as I say, supplied with a fresh service including new timing belt, front brake discs and pads, and a full year's MOT. 2 keys as well. Really does tick every box. For any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch on 01738 44 77 33. Thanks again.